The time you spend today on making some good habits will enhance your life tomorrow. Great quote, isn't it? Believe me or not, your habits can really mold your life drastically. Even the smallest one can make a huge impact on your whole life. And that's why in today's video, we will share 5 basic activities that you can do on a regular basis to make this year better. Number 1. Get up early. Now, getting up early doesn't mean you should start waking up at 4:30 am. I mean, it will be very good if you can do that. But if you cannot, then try to wake up before your usual time. Now, don't worry about your sleep. If you are taking 6 to 7 hours of your sleep, then it is enough to feel fresh and energetic for the whole day. Waking up early gives us that little extra time window that we always keep complaining about.
Yeah, if I only have some time then.
So, if you feel the same, then try to wake up early.
Number 2, do some physical activities at morning or evening. A physical activity can be as simple as running, cycling, gymming, playing, or even walking. Doing these activities regularly can make your body healthy and mind active. It also helps you to sleep better and feel more energized during the day. It has so many other benefits, like it can really improve your mood and reduce feeling of stress, anxiety or depression. Exercising regularly supports fast metabolism and also helps in maintaining a healthy weight. It also reduces the risk of chronic diseases. At last, it is something which you will only understand when you personally experience it. So, I would suggest all of you to try doing any sort of exercise for a week and you will definitely feel the change both physically and mentally.
Number 3. Feed information to your brain. This is something I always recommend to everybody when people ask me to give tips on self-improvement. And it is such a thing that I can do 24/7. It's like a food to your brain to make it work perfectly fine and healthy. So, how you can do that? Very simple. By reading books, watching informative videos on YouTube, or learning a new thing, such as music instrument, a new language, or playing a game. It makes your brain sharp and active. It gives us new experience and perspectives towards our action, thoughts, and decisions.
Number 4, spend time with yourself without your phone or any other gadgets. I know at this point of time, smartphones have become an essential part of our daily life. But if you want to grow in life, then for at least few hours in a day, spend your time alone without any disturbing element around you. Because when you are alone, it helps you increasing your concentration power and makes you more and more creative. You can surely relate to this because we all get the most creative ideas when we are alone, and some of the most successful people also agreed to this, that the best ideas they get in their mind is when they are taking a shower or walking alone on a roadside. So if you are not talking to yourself daily, then you will surely missing a guy with some of the greatest thought.
Number 5. Journaling at the end of the day. Journaling is nothing but writing down your goals, dreams, thoughts, and important notes of the whole day. It's like analyzing your daily activities just as a company does. Think yourself as a company and analyze your activities, like what you have done today, what you have missed today, what is that one thing that you should have done to make some difference, how you can make the other day better. The best way to become more productive is to plan the next day at night itself. And when you do this, then you will know that I have to do this and this at so and so time, so that you will not time pass. So these are the 5 basic activities that you should do regular to make this year the best of all. Till then, if you find this video helpful, then like it, subscribe to our channel, and see you on the next one.